In this episode of Penny's Thoughts, episode 15, we're talking about the Nike Air Force One Low Gore Tex edition. But before we get into the show, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Alright guys, this shoe is slated to drop December 18th for a price point of $150. This shoe is pretty much dark brown with dark orange all over the shoe. You have an orange swoosh, you have an orange leather background with some Gore Tex ingredients in the back. You also have Gore Tex branding pretty much all over the shoe, on the side of the toe box and also on the tongue. You have a beige midsole with a brown bottom of the sole. If you like me and you don't like boots, this is stuff that you can buy along with the retro one that I did earlier. They have a retro one with some, Gore Tex material in it. If you don't like boots, that's another option you can get. And also the Air Jordan 9 boot is another shoe that you can get, man. I think that stuff like this is necessary for the the winter conditions and stuff like that. A lot of people don't like heavy stuff on their feet, so they can pretty much get away with wearing things like this. So I'm a fan of the Air Force One. I'm a fan of the Gore Tex, technology, waterproofing, and things like that are in this shoe. So I'm all for it. I'm all for it, man. I think these are clean. I like this colorway. There's another colorway coming out. I wasn't really feeling it too much, so I was like, I'm not really gonna do a Penny's Thoughts on it, but I wanted to do one on this color in particular because it's a great colorway and it has a lot of earth tone fall colors in this shoe. So I figured I'll bring it to the channel, let you guys get a look at it. Let me know what you guys think. We can talk about it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.